was the bell. You're late. Take a seat and don't talk. I am Mrs. Crabtree, your new fourth grade teacher. I am just over the moon to be here today. Actually, that's not true at all. Anyway, today we will build some skills in representing decimals. I'm sure you need me to tell you what a decimal is. A decimal represents a value that is more than 0, but is less than 1 whole. Here's some examples. 0.8 is 8 tenths. 0.93 is 93 hundredths. Now, let's get to moving or we are gonna be here all day, and I don't have time for all that. Here's a number line. We need to determine the decimal at point C on the number line. C for Crabtree, ha ha. Point C is between 11 and 12 on this number line. And lucky for us, 11 and 5 tenths is marked on the middle of the number line. I can start at 11 and 5 tenths and count by tenths until I reach the C. Lucky for us, it is only one tick mark. 11 and 5 tenths. 11 and 6 tenths. Point C represents 11 and 6 tenths. Wait a second. Look at this number line. He's so big he doesn't even fit on my board, and he's vertical instead of horizontal. Oh well, we need to determine the decimal represented by the point on the number line. The point is between 4 and 70 hundredths and 4 and 80 hundredths. This little number line is extra helpful, and label the midpoint 4 and 75 hundredths too. I can count each tick mark by hundredths to determine what decimal is at the point. Here we go. 4 and 70 hundredths, 4 and 71 hundredths, 4 and 72 hundredths, 4 and 73 hundredths, 4 and 74 hundredths. Well, we finally made it. The point represents 4 and 74 hundredths, and that does make sense because the point is at the tick mark right before 4 and 75 hundredths. This go around they are switching it up on us. We need to find the number line that represents a distance of 2/10 units from 0. Let's see about this number line. Well, what do you think? I'm needing some thoughts from the child geniuses out there. Oh, wait a quick minute. The point is one tick mark before one whole on this number line. It represents 9 tenths, not 2 tenths. Here's another number line. This better work. My feet are getting tired. What do you think? Does this number line represent a distance of 2 tenths from 0? I'm hard of hearing, but you better have said no. The point comes after 5 tenths, and 2 tenths comes before. On to number line 3. Now look at that. The point is 2 tick marks away from 0, representing a distance of 2 tenths. We finally found one. Honestly, I was about to give up. Well, this fabulous teacher is done teaching for today. Class dismissed.